Alright, so I've got an enterprise box here that we're going to do a couple of tests on, and this session is how to pull data from a Microsoft SQL Server, Infusion, or Heritage database table and throw it right to either a CS file or a text file. We are on a test lab for Hardy's database, so we're going to use some Hardy's information. We log in, just like usual. And you're going to come up with this screen most likely after you log in. You don't even have to look at the databases. You can click on New Query and change the database from here to Hardy's. It'll take a moment to do so. Once it does, it'll come up Hardy's. You can always click on databases and then click on Hardy's right here if you wanted to, and then the database window goes away because you're already selecting Hardy's. But if you're up here and you just want to save some time, you know what you're doing, you can just select the Hardy's database automatically. So once you have that, you click on New Query. Database shows up right there, and just select star means everything, and the table that I'm going to use is pricing. So after you get that, then you can click on the check mark. It'll test it, and it says, hey, you got the wrong word. So let's make that capital. And what does it say? Maybe we should put in from pricing. And there we go. Now once you have it parsed, you can click on execute, and most likely your selection is going to be results to grid, so you will get what this looks like. If not, you're going to have it on results to text, and it'll look like what I just saw a second ago. If you click on results to file and then click on execute, it'll bring you up a box saying, hey, do you want to save this? So let's go back to the grid and run execute. And the best way to save this is, while it's on grid, is select right click and save results as, and it gives you automatically the CSV file extension there. You could save it as something else and rename it. It's essentially always going to be a CSV file. So if you save it as an RPT file by mistake, you can always just rename that to a CSV and you're fine. So I'm going to save this to the desktop, pricing, and then boom, it's all done. I'll give you another example. I need modifier pricing, so I'm going to add the word modifier into here and click on execute. This time it shows the other table, modifier pricing, and I'll right click, save results as, and save it up. It's going to hold on to this file, so I can't take a look at it until I'm done. Once you click on exit, it will ask you, hey, do you want to save these items? If you copy the SQL statement into a text file, you can keep it in there. You don't need to keep it in here. I actually keep nothing at a client side anyway, so I always click no so that I'm saving nothing. So here are my two files right here. Here's pricing.csv, which is really just a text file. Open it up, and you've got them. So if you would just send me those files, that'd be great. Thanks a lot.